The next horse in the ring, this is lot number 16. This one is consigned by the East Holmes Equine Group from Dundee, Ohio. Here's a stallion, pulled in 2018. He's just 3 years old. Sired by Ozzy. He was sold right here in the same ring. He's got an arm rotunda mother, the second damage by Supergill. A powerful young driving stallion. The owner's note here says we had his semen tested at the Root and Riddle Animal Clinic, and he is good for a full book of 140 mares. He is young. He won't officially be 3 until next week. He's 100% okay. Here he is. He's lot number 16. Ladies and gentlemen, he needs no introduction. This is Majestic Monarch.
Look in, I'd had to get down 40 paying, having it down, I'd had to get down 40 paying 300. I'd had to get down 300. I'd had to get down 70, get 25, here we go. And 25 on a 50. I'd had to get down 50,000 on it now, 75 on it, and 100 pound, I'd had to get down 100 pound, on it, and 100. I'd had to get down 1, I'd had to get down 125 on it, had to get down 125, 150. I'd had to get down 150 pound, hey, 1 and a half on it, had to get down 150,000 on it, had to get down 150 pound, on it, had to get down now 75, and 175, 5 on it, had to get down 175, to get down 175 on it, down to 200 pound, down to get down 225, and 225 down to get down 225 and 50, and 250 pound down to get down 575 now 300 didn't make it. You're late 300 pound and 300,000 down to get down 3 and 300,000 and 300 now 25 on it here 25 10 25 on it. You're out 25 didn't make it. You're late here and 325 550 on it 35 now 50 how did it get down 350 pound and 350,000 on it now 75 on it pay 60 75 and 75 5 you're out 75 on it pay to get down 375 85 400 and 400,000 on it and 400 pound down to get down 400 pound down to get down buddy pay here and 400,000 on it down to get down 400 pound down to get down to get down 400,000 on it and 400 to get down through I had to get down 400 pound on it and 400,000 on it down to get down 400 pound down to pay 400 thank you down 25 and 425 pound on it and 425 now 50 and 450 pound down to get down 450 pound down to get down 50 I had to get down 35 50 I had to get down 450 and 450,000 on it down to get down 450 pound down on it to get down to get down 450 pound on it and 4 and a half I had to get down 450 pound down to get down 50 and 450 I had to get 440 450 I had to get down 450 and 450 I had to get down 450 pound on it and 450 I had to get down you didn't make it you're late there no I don't have you I got here I had to get down 450 pound on it and 450 go right ahead.
You know, a lot of you guys around here have Sierra mares or Andover Hall mares, and you know you can't breed to something. Sometimes it's a job just to find a stud you can breed to. This one, he's an outcross. You can breed him to about anything.
Yes, thank you. 550. I had to get down 50,000 and 450,000 out of down to get down 50 pound and 450,000 out of down to get down 450 pound out of down to get down head of the deals all through. Hold on, last call and 450,000 out of down to get down 50. Thank you. Now 60 and 460,000 out. You just never know. I had to get down 460 pound and 450, 460. I had to get down 460. Now 70 and 470 pound and 470. Take her to 500 to take her home. 470 pound and 470,000 out of down to get down 470 pound. On a man to get down to get down 80 and 480 and 480 on a man to get down 480 pound down to get down to get down buddy on a pay and 480,000 and 480,000 out of down to get down 480 pound down to get down to get all through all done and 480 now 90 and 490 for not just be 500,000 and 500 be 500,000 and 500,000 out of down to get down 5 to get down 500 and 500,000 out of down to get down 5 and 500,000 out of down to get down to get down buddy on a pay to get out everybody through, everybody died, and 500,000 out of and 500,000 out of down to get down 5 to get down 500 pound down to 4 I had to get down 500 and you want to be 495